What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, we are back here in the garage and we have a vehicle I'm not too happy to work on today. I will show you what we have. It is a 2020 BMW 330i, and you can see this driver's door right here. A really big shot in there. When the customer sent me this, I told him I could make it look better, but when I saw it in person, I really honestly didn't even want to touch this car, because you see that big area there. You have all these high and low spots here. There's a real big crown right underneath of the dent right here, and then you can see high spots there. Not only that, you can see that gap in the door. This is all damaged under here, so I think it was hit here, buckled the door. So the whole door really needs to be fixed. I mean, the whole structural integrity of the door is compromised. The customer just wants that big part out, the deepness, which I get. I understand that. I just don't like doing things like this. But I'm gonna try to help them out. We'll see what we could do. I don't know how this is gonna come out. It's just so buckled and moved around. But we're gonna start on it. We'll take you along with us, and let's see how this thing looks after I'm done. Okay, so we've been going with this for a while now. As you saw, I started off with the cold glue, putting that on there, just pulling some of the deepness out, tapping down all the crowns, high spots. It's just a lot of tapping, a lot of slow moving. I'll show you what we have going on so far. I mean, it barely looks like the car is better. I mean, that deepness is out, but you can still see like just waves and shimmers and like highs and lows all over the place. It's because that door, like I said, is so compromised. The whole door is twisted. So the metal is just being held down by the bracing and, you know, the structure of the door itself. So it's hard to move that around. Like the dents don't want to come out or tap down because it's just twisted. This is one I shouldn't have took on. I kind of knew it right when I saw it. I didn't want to do this job. And I told the customer that, but they really wanted me to try it, so I agreed. I mentioned this before, that's one thing you have to figure out if taking on the job is worth it or not. To me, this one's not worth it because I don't charge for my time. So if I spend time on something, I don't charge for it. I only charge for results. That's just how I do business. I don't, others might disagree with that, but if I do a dent and it doesn't come out good, I usually don't charge for it just because it's not worth it in the long run. I'm saying for getting referrals and things like that. I rather just charge for the way the dent comes out. So we'll see if I even make money on this one or if it's a total waste of time. Either way, I'm not having fun doing this one. The good thing is I'm going on vacation tomorrow. So we're heading over to Europe for a couple weeks. By the time you see this, I'll already be back. I have some videos saved up that I'm posting. But in any case, we'll get this done. We'll keep moving on it, see what we can do, and go from there. Let's do it. Okay, we're all finished up with this. I've been working on this thing all day. It looks better, let's just say that. I think the customer is going to be happy. I think I know what he's expecting out of this. Again, this is one I wouldn't have taken on, and I probably shouldn't have taken on. If I was to do it again, I wouldn't have done it. But I'll show you the results. You can see that big deepness is gone. We tried tapping down all the high spots. There still might be a shimmer here or there, or, but it looks pretty good. Like I said, it's all twisted. The bracing runs through there, so everything's twisted around. You're just trying to flatten that out, get out those deep spots, tap down the high spots, and just trying to blend away all the imperfections. So I think it looks good. I don't know what we're gonna do with the bottom. I don't think I'm even gonna attempt that. I might try it, just maybe putting a rubber mallet on there and trying to, hit out some of that that edge to see if I could line it back up. So we might try that. I told him I wasn't even gonna touch that, but you know, it's here. I'll probably try doing something. So hopefully you guys like this video. Again, this was a tough one, but if you can, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We'll do more videos and we'll catch you on the next one.